Hi guys, after I purchased today's item, I got offer a week later. So check the item today and then I'm gonna reveal my quarterback at the end of this week. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of HERMES. I mentioned before that I was waiting for some mini bags. So one of mini bag I wanted arrived. So I was waiting for like 2 months. So it took so long. I couldn't believe I got this at last. Let me open. So I was waiting for this for long, and as I mentioned, many people get neutral color. I might get neutral color. I am willing to collect like in different color as well because this is so cute and very versatile and casual. You can use every day. The shape and size you can see, right? Yes, Evelyn. Which color I got? Can you guess? Strap, and this is a Evelyn. So Evelyn, mostly people get black or gold color or E2. Yeah, I might get one of those maybe someday if I really like it after I try. The color is, you can see? Yes, it's blue pale color with the clemence leather. I love this color. Let me take out the strap as well. Strap is different color. The body and the strap used to be same color. Now I think they start to make two-tone. But I like that way because if like this, if I buy something light color, the strap is like dark color, then this will not get dirty easily. So I like that way. So let me open and then connect. So this color is, I think, 그리스였다. So see this color combination? This is so pretty. Inside is same color like this. It's very simple. And this part is penetrated. I don't need to worry about it's gonna be saggy by time because it's already like small size. So I don't need like an inner bag for this size. This is almost like true color. So actually I got another bag as well, but I didn't buy. I just reserved Picotin. Unfortunately, my essay ordered same color. I couldn't take picture of it in store, but exactly same blue pale color, Picotin. She was saying you can collect all same color in different bag, but yeah, I was waiting for another color for Picotin. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna wait for the other color. I really want it, but like I didn't expect I'm gonna get same color for Picotin and Evelyn. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna pass this time for Picotin blue pale color. It was so beautiful, but yeah, I just prefer this one. Picotin, I will show you when it arrived. The other color I ordered. So let me connect. Very simple, like this. This color and this color same. If you buy too much pop color like green or like red, sometimes you know it might be difficult to match with your any outfit, but this one pretty go well with anything. I tried like 2-3 times already and I really loved it. So yeah, I'm so happy with it. This size, it fits so many things. Card holder will fit, iPhone fit for sure. Size wise, it was bigger than I expected. So let me try to put things inside. Phone, for sure, fit well. Any phone will fit, like iPhone 11, whatever, yeah, everything gonna fit. And card case, card holder, see? And baby key. Everything fit well so far, see? So if you don't use like a big wallet, it's flat. So better to use something flat, yeah. And maybe lipstick. You can put more even, see? Pretty much many things fit. And the thing I like about this bag is, see, you can close this like this. It's so versatile, like daily bag. Bigger size might fit more, but it's like really saggy to me, so I don't like that saggy look. So I prefer this one. More structured, but still it's like soft. It fits a lot. All the essential fits, so I really prefer this. Next one is fashion jewelry. I was waiting for this one for like 2 months. This is very popular, especially for summertime. Everyone wants this. Let me open. So this one is Pop H necklace. This is so cute. The mini size. So this mini size is so popular. It's hard to get. So I had to order, especially white color is really popular. I wanted to match with my Click Clack H and all the silver jewelry. I wanted to wear like this together. White color, which is blanc color, mini size, Pop H necklace with palladium hardware. So next one is silver jewelry. I really like silver jewelry. because they have so many kinds and then you can try pretty much daily. So let's open. So I wanted to match with this click-clack bracelet. It's silver jewelry. This is kind of similar to CDC bracelet. It's kind of new style, I think. It's like bangle, but it's open this side. I love this stud all the way. This was small size, so it fit well on my wrist. Mini class H, size, silver bracelet, yeah. So this is kind of new style. Let me try this together. It's gonna really fit well. I love this stud. Let me try. It's a little bit tight when you try like this. But because I bought like small size, but it's gonna be perfect. I want it to wear like this. Perfect for layering. You can use like any other bracelet, silver tone. So next one. This one you might know very well. This is necklace, long necklace, and silver jewelry. Let me open and show you. This one can be used for so many things. People use it in many ways. I will try to show you if I can, but let me show you the necklace by itself. See? 파랑돌 120 centimeter long necklace in silver. Yeah, I love this because I can wear as just one layer, and you can also wear like this 2 layer. Since I got so many palladium or like silver tone or jewelry, this is perfect for summer. I saw so many people use this as not just necklace. You can wear with like black dress, something dark color dress. I would just wear like this. You can layer with other silver necklace, something like this. And also I heard you can wear like as a like bracelet. So I'm gonna try to make a. So I would wear like this layered way. I love this kind of style. Oh my god, it's possible. This is so pretty. I would wear like this than necklace, to be honest. Layer with other things or like this. Oh my god, love this. Just like this. And many people also use this with a long wallet, like Kelly wallet, to use as a like a strap, like back strap. Yeah, I don't have Kelly wallet, so I can't show you, but like yeah, people put like inside a bag and then like wear like a strap. Okay, next one is I didn't expect I'm gonna get this bag, and it's very unique one. You might know about this or not. It's like very casual bag, really casual, and you can take it for like trip, I would say. Huge, right? So big, yeah. This is perfect for my trip, so I really wanted this. Okay, it's backpack style. And the color is kind of neutral color, but yeah, I don't have this color yet, so I really liked it. There was like another pop color. Hardback, backpack, zip, officer, canvas, hunt leather. Yeah, I need to show you inside, but like before that, let me show you. So this is backpack, and there's also zipper at the back like this. And the color, vert, olive, it's canvas. Hunt leather. Color is khaki and olive. So it really perfectly matching. I want to use this for my trip for summer. Gold plated hardware. It's a little bit big for everyday, to be honest, but you can use casual way. This is very sensitive, as you know. Bounty hunter leather, it can be easily get scratched, so you need to be careful when you open and close. Let me show you. Like the hardback. Okay, I'm gonna really be careful. You need to like really, yeah, here you can easily get scratched. So let me just open and show you. Perfectly matching with this olive color. Oh my god. And inside there's a pouch. So beautiful. So I'm gonna put like this. The key, there's a number. It matches with this here and here. Yeah, so I'm gonna open and keep inside the pouch. And this one should be inside so that it doesn't scratch. Make sure. So I can just put like this. And put the key inside here. There's no pocket inside. This pouch, same color. Olive and khaki. So you can put essential things here. So this will be very like casual style. I chose this color. There was another color in bamboo. Yeah, but bamboo color was too vibrant for me, especially with a canvas. I would prefer bamboo color with leather. It was like too vibrant for me. I can match any season with any outfit. Neutral color, I would say. So I chose this one. I was using like this Perfect 31, same way, just like this. So this was my another bag. So today I got this one big backpack and mini bag. So I'm waiting for another mini bags. When it comes, I will share with you guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. And if you like any content like this, luxury brand, fashion, lifestyle in LA, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.